How you doing? We got another JW Custom wood box to show you. This is bird's eye maple. Holy crap, that just sounds amazing. Bird's eye maple. So, are you ready? I'm ready. You ready? Let's do this. JW Custom bird's eye maple wood box. Look at that. Look at that. How you doing? Yep. Okay. We got the JW Custom bird's eye maple box. We got the scatur on top. We got the typhoon tip and glass. Inside, we got James Mucklin coils. Yeah, buddy. Juice. What juice we got in there? You know what juice we got in there. We don't go nowhere without the pipe dreams. Made by Earth's Bounty. You got it? Vanilla custard, scatur, typhoon, James Mucklin, JW Custom. Let's do this. So, while we're in the clouds, we'll do this one a little different. It's a DNA 250 color chip. We're vaping at 90 watts. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. The flavor is amazing. The mod's amazing. The tank is amazing. The glass is amazing. Those coils are amazing. How you doing? So, we got JW Custom bird's eye maple wood box. Look at this. Look at that. Solid, baby. Solid. You want wood? You got wood. So, anyway, I'm out of here. I'm on E. Ciao, ciao. Peace.